Getting your framing right by accounting for drywall thickness is key to making doors, windows, and trim look clean and flush, so you don't end up with annoying gaps or misalignment later. When framers build walls, they don't just measure the rough opening for doors and windows. They add the thickness of the drywall to the depth of those openings. Usually, drywall is about 1/2 inch to 5/8 of an inch thick, so you want to tack on that measurement when figuring out the framing. It's smart to keep the framing studs flush with the outside edge where the drywall will go, so that once you hang the drywall, everything lines up perfectly. Don't forget to check your plans because some projects might use different drywall thicknesses or layering, like adding moisture-resistant drywall in bathrooms. When framing around windows and doors, also plan for drywall returns, these little edges of drywall that wrap around the frame. If you skip those, your trim won't sit right, and it'll be obvious. Take your time measuring and double-check before nailing anything down because fixing drywall or trim after the fact can get pricey and annoying. Keeping these steps in mind saves a lot of headaches when it's time to finish up your project. One of the biggest mistakes framers make is forgetting to add drywall thickness to the rough opening depth, which causes doors and windows to sit too far back or stick out weirdly. Always add that 1/2 inch or 5/8 inch up front. Another common problem is not lining up framing studs flush with where the drywall surface will be, so once drywall goes up, the walls look uneven and the trim doesn't fit right. Fix this by marking exactly where drywall will end before framing. A third issue is ignoring drywall returns at openings, which leads to visible gaps or awkward seams around windows and doors. Make sure to frame enough space for these returns so the trim can sit snug and finish cleanly. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by helping homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get jobs done right. For contractors, it's a solid way to find new work and build their reputation without wasting time chasing leads.